Oh boy, this shit busting. Okay. Boy, this shit busting. Okay, what's up everybody? Uh, this isn't Dark Souls, it's something different. First of all, I wanna cover something. First, I wanna show you guys something real quick, actually, before we get started. My boss bought me this mug here. My boss bought me this. It's a Totoro mug. It's a very small mug, but he saw it and he bought it for me. So, let us drink Coke from the mug. Coke that has been iced because I don't know why. I don't know if I'm just a little baby, if I'm just a little baby boy, if I'm just a little goo goo gaga change my diaper boy. But why are hot Cheetos so hot? Like why? Why are they so hot? I made a tweet about it. I said that girls who eat hot Cheetos at 7 in the morning have guts of iron, because if I ate this, like, they eat like half a bag of hot Cheetos. They crush them down first period. If I ate this in the morning, I'd be just keeling over with the spice. It's so spicy. I don't know what I remember them being a bit more mild. It's so spicy. I don't know. Am I just a baby? Is that just something that is that just something I never got over? It's really hot. So we'll probably be drinking right after we eat some hot Cheetos. Let's get right into it. I'm supposed to make an app, right? I'm supposed to make an app, but the app I have thought up of is really bad. I don't like it anymore. It was supposed to be like something to like give you a better sleep schedule, but I'm not feeling it. So I need to make a better one, but I don't know what to make the app on. So we're going to be asking everyone that's on Discord right now for ideas, starting with yeah, starting with, I'll just ask this Discord because they're online. Hold on. Hey,
What's up, sir?
I have a question. Why
Oh.
is there rain sound?
Oh, hey. Oh my gosh. What's up?
I need to make an app for school, and I don't know what to make it on. You guys have any ideas?
An app for school. Ooh, wait. Is this
Wait,
a
who is
program?
this?
It's for programming, yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say that's not Zoom Zoom.
By the way, I'm streaming. I'm streaming, so don't say anything.
Can you make a Minecraft knockoff, please?
No, it has to be like
it can be.
It has to be like you know, like a functional thing.
Can you make a bee simulator?
No, it has to be like like.
Make a bullcrap personality test.
I don't know if I can do that.
That'd be really funny.
That would be funny. It has to be like something that can help people. Ooh. Ooh,
What?
I need an
That's so
app
boring.
that tracks my steps or some shit like that.
No, make it. Make one that determines what Disney princess you are.
You can do one on screen time, and then like it's like gonna warn you when you like have too much. I don't know. That's like a super easy one.
Okay, here we go. Decision maker app planning. It's a decision maker. What decisions do
Oh,
we make
yeah.
every day that we did an app for?
Oh, it's like when the Flash
Food.
made Barry. Like when the Flash made Barry.
Sure, yeah.
Oh shoot! Never mind. You don't get that reference.
No, I know what you're saying. I just don't think it's funny.
Oh, it's not funny. It's literally just a thing. Oh wow! Ouch.
He doesn't think you're funny.
Fuck. Anyways, sorry.
Why we like this?
I don't even watch The Flash. So,
Well,
decision making app. What we got? What's a decision that we make?
what cereal to eat?
Okay, that would be a good one. However, it has to be like a bunch of. It says you need like a few things. Like for example, there's a ticket app, and the app was like, oh, give me your age, and like the day you're gonna buy the ticket on. So we have to have like more choices like that. But I think he wants 8. No. Yeah, he wants a few. So I need to throw in like I don't know, something.
I have no idea. I'm brain dead.
Nice.
Wait, how complicated do you want it to get? Like,
it has to be a bit interesting.
Okay. Something. Shit, what did I do for my class? Oh, I made a trivia thing. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, it has to help. It has to help people with things. What did I do for that assignment? I did the make a massage app. It vibrates your phone. It vibrates your phone, and you can you can adjust the intensity of the vibration. It's perfect.
I don't think phones
No.
work like that. I don't think
Phones
they have
work
an
like that.
adjustable vibration motor that can.
Well,
go-
actually, iPhones do.
I mean, yeah, but I don't think it goes above the threshold they have already. And if the
It can. You just
Can
have to
it?
believe.
Threshold.
threshold.
You just gotta believe.
What's up, sweet?
Believe that. Hey, babe.
I do need to believe. Allison, give me an app idea. I need an app.
Why is he so quiet?
Because you muted him.
Give me an app idea.
So,
I need an app that helps make decisions.
Oh, you're great at those.
You can have it track what you eat. You can put a voice command into it, and it's like, hey, I ate this, and then the app's like, all right, putting that on your list for today. Boom, tracks what you eat.
That's called a notepad.
so basically,
No,
calorie track.
food tracker. Damn.
And it can track how much. I don't know, actually, never mind.
And
Forget I
track
said it.
how much calories you intake.
Yeah. Wait, isn't that the whole point?
Oh, withering effect.
Silly. Pepperoni. Ah, correct. I don't know. You're on your own, son. You're all alone.
I missed hearing that. This is working. This is working.
I don't know. You can you name your app the Alone app? You can make a friend app, but like not with real people, obviously. It can be a
Oh.
chat bot
I hate you. I hate you so much.
for
Ew,
people who are
she's your favorite
alone.
waifu. Big titty anime girl, goth anime
Can
girl,
you hear me?
and
And people, yeah, and people can make accounts. They can make like people like I don't know, whatever.
you stupid.
Why did I buy this? This is not.
Why what?
This is not a good purchase.
What is not a good purchase?
Voice mod.
Anyways,
Anyways, yeah, all these app I use. I'm gonna be frank, they're not very good. That was all. Guys,
Oh my
guys,
are you kidding? Someone help me.
And you
Guys.
don't know how to
Hi,
win.
Sam.
guys.
No, please, I'm begging you, help me.
Guys,
Hi,
You cannot
Ala.
How do
win.
I?
Wait, I need help first.
With what?
I'm supposed to make an app for computer programming.
Why is that your shit?
Now here's the thing. I need to make an app that helps people make decisions. Alright, go.
Make a
Wait, in what?
In
Flip coin.
school.
You ever seen that horror movie where like you watch people stream their dares so they get paid?
Yeah, it's called
Lahua, you're kind of in a weird position right now.
I don't
You're
know.
kinda screwed.
I didn't know what I was doing. I literally
Dude,
just
your
clicked. I
queen
didn't
is
even
literally
random
Rook to
exposed.
G5. Just move the
G-
queen anywhere else.
G5.
Chi.
What? How do I get to G5?
I
What?
don't know what she's doing.
No.
Jesus.
How do-
Your queen is exposed.
Is it really? Wait.
Okay,
What?
no, Yep. the horse can take your queen.
Just move your queen.
Just
move your queen.
Dude,
Just move your
just
queen
move
anywhere
your
else.
The queen where?
Once again, I am disappointed with my friends. Alright, last resort. Alright, we have... Oh, I'm gonna open up this Discord, and it's going to be chaos. I'm sorry if you guys hear any slurs while I jump in here.
There are other
Cringe
kid.
lord.
What?
Another cringe lord.
No, some other cringe
Running out of
lord
time,
said,
That's what I just said.
PogChamp is swearing in Twitch language.
Okay, guys, I need your help.
With what?
Oh,
Hey,
Honeyfire.
Aldo.
Hello.
Honeyfire, is that you?
Yeah, that's me.
Sorry. Hi, Alo.
I need to make an app for school, and it's an app that helps people make decisions. You got any ideas?
Coin flip.
Helping apps. It could be like...
Yeah,
Spin a wheel.
Coin flip.
Coin flip, yeah, or a
Coin
wheel,
flip.
yeah. Should I go out? Should I go exercise today? I really don't want to.
See,
Let me get my what should it be called?
God.
What should it be called?
I'd say spin a wheel because then you can have more than just heads and tails.
So randomizer app.
Yes.
Okay, randomizer.
No, but
app.
that's not as cool.
No. But what if it's an app? Because I have to have like different outcomes. I can't just heads or tails is only 2 outcomes. What if I do like, coin flip, straw pull, spin a wheel? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, like multiple things?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the coin flip, I feel like it's more like, I don't know. It's more of a classic, you know what I'm saying?
That's 1 or 2. That's literally the code.
Yeah, then it's easy to code or whatever, right?
Mhm. All right. Any other ideas?
Is this for your classes? Is this coding?
Yeah. it's
Do
for computer science.
like
I remember one of my friends had to do this.
Do like a claw machine thing.
This is goodbye.
Hmm.
A
Claw
kilometer.
machine.
But it has to be a decision-making app. That's just a game.
Yeah, how does that work?
Ooh.
Uh,
And
Oh,
you
I
lose.
don't know. I don't know.
You should do like a gotcha roll.
Yeah,
yeah,
you
like
should.
like you like you put in the things and it it puts it into
Get
a
'em.
ball and it just starts like and it goes into a little thing and it just starts spinning and it
David,
just pops out
I've-
one and then you just open it
We've
and
endured.
then you see what you get.
Okay,
God,
now
dog shit. Try again.
how's that?
See, David, you're not even. David, you're not even half bad, bro.
Wait, what? What's going on?
You're not even half bad, bro.
That's what you want.
I'm not. What? Y'all want to see play me?
You're not
OC?
half bad. You just need to
Thank you
grind
for
a little
your
bit more.
Intelligence. This is
level.
very
Well,
forgotten
grinding
on
sounds
the
like-
Discord podcast.
I hope your knee is okay.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
Thank
bro.
you.
That literally
Also,
looked like
rip
it hurt.
rest in peace, pants.
Yeah, rip. Literally rip. Alright, so you guys.
Bro, you gotta tell us when that dark stream is going, bro. Like every time, I'm always like, I missed it.
Alright.
Good night.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Yeah,
later.
good night.
Okay, bye. Alright. Honestly, out of the 3 people I've asked, well, out of the 3 Discords I've asked, that was the best one. And I thought that would be the worst one. I underestimate my friends. I really do. Granted, you know what? I underestimate them. There's a lot of times where they do things and I go, why am I their friends, right? But then there's also times when they do things and I go, why am I their friends, right? So, I mean, it's just like polar opposite, and they always surprise me. So, randomizer app. So we have to make sure that this falls into the guidelines, or else I'm gonna get screwed. So, here we go. Let's go into Google Classroom just to find out all the criteria, everything. So that's the document we opened already. I think my knee is bleeding right now. I feel it getting cold, which means the liquid's cooling. Okay. We need... Okay. Describe the decision your app will help your user make. Can I unsubmit this? I already got the points. I just want to type on it. I'm just gonna make a private comment. Unsubmitted, so I can change and write on it. I'm unsubmitting it. All right, there. Let's get into this, boys and girls. No one's watching the stream. Okay. So, describe the decision your app will help your user make. My app will help the user in choosing multiple choices. At ease via several randomizers. So, variable name. So what are the variables? So for example, in the museum app, one information was the person's age, right? So that's a variable, right? That's something you need to input, is their age. So one variable could be coin flip. No, wait, no. Come on. One variable could be, is it, okay, so the choices, right? How many choices are there? Because if there's more than 2 choices, well, we have to use something different, right? So if it's 2 choices, coin flip. If it's 4 choices, we do straw poll. 6 choices, Russian roulette, so on and go forth. So the first thing is number of choices. And this would be how many choices does the user have? Okay. So then the second variable would be text box, right? So things the person needs to do. So that is, you know, list of decisions and plans the user has, right? So we have how many choices? We have what he needs to do. What else? What else is in a randomizer? Let's think about this for a second, right? When do you need to randomize things? You need to randomize things when it's like, which product should I buy, right? So that's your choices, and that's your plan. That's all we have. That's the only variables I have. Now, do we need a lot of variables? Well, apparently in this museum ticket app, we'll just go down the line, and if we find more variables that we find ourselves adding, we'll add them. Duh. So outputs. What are the different possible outcomes your app can produce? So how about we just do an output from each of the choices? So what if we do 8 different randomizers, and each screen of the app can be a randomizer? So the first one, coin flip. Coin flip choice. Second one, wheel spin choice. Okay, third one, straw pull. Nice and simple. Now, will we get away from doing Russian roulette? Because Russian roulette is random, but it's also violent. But I'm thinking, like, what if, like, it does a little animation where can you have guns in your app? Probably not. But what if we do like a gun and it goes down the list of things, and at one point it shoots the list, and that's the one you have to do? I mean, that's the thing. We gotta be asking these questions here. What's a more simpler one? We have coin flip, wheel spin, straw pull, pachinko. Pachinko. Boom. We do pachinko. Now, how are we gonna do pachinko? That's Future Me's problem. What else? Pachinko. Perhaps. We want it. Okay, so we want these to be simple. Because I just thought of, like, oh, what if it's a deck of cards, and then it flips to the deck of cards, and if it hits a certain card, then that's the choice. Yes, but that means we have 52 different outputs we have to code, right? So, pachinko, that depends on how big the pachinko board is. That could be like 3 outcomes. It could be 8, actually. You know, if you're using straw pull, that could literally be every single thing. What else? Maybe what's that one game in Yakuza? Yakuza lottery game. It's not pachinko, is it? It's lottery. Yakuza. Oh no, it was Shenmue. This one, Shenmue lottery bowl. Hold on, let me show you guys. Shenmue lottery bowl. Shenmue 3 lottery. Shenmue 3 gambling, perhaps. Gambling. Here. Not this. That's pachinko. I think. I'm pretty sure. Where is it? Is it just this? You've been playing pachinko for 8 minutes for a YouTube video? Are you kidding me? See, but this could be what we're doing here, right? This one. Right? Here he goes. Ice, fire, rain, or moon. Right, and then the marble. The marble lands on the thing.
This color will bring you good luck.
Okay, and then he
Make
goes
the most
to
of
the.
it while you can.
He like the guy who does it is really weird. Are you not going to play the game I've come to? Oh, she's hot. Really? Come in. Oh, which one is this?
Cosmic apple. Cosmic what? Take some. I'm eating some. Put it
You're
on a paper
eating
towel.
my cosmic
Yeah,
apples?
take a bunch. That's why I brought the paper towel.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, chat. God damn it. This is a cosmic apple. Mmm. 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 Tastes like a Fuji apple. No. Well, no. Tastes like a. I guess. This one.
Kindness. To make frigid extremities powder, I need 4 fresh earth.
Had culture festivals at school.
What's a culture festival?
An event where the students put on various performances. Some put on plays, while others set up food stalls.
That's a lot to coordinate.
These are really
We
good.
even had a haunted house.
They're like Fuji apples,
That the
but
students created?
a bit sour.
Yep.
I can't wrap my head around the concept.
Would be.
Ice, flower, rain, or moon.
All right. Which will it be? Flower, bird, wind, or moon?
Flower, bird, wind, or moon.
Here we go.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This. This right here.
How was blue this time?
Wind. Tough luck.
I know. It seems like the divine is not with me today.
Okay. So how are we going to simulate a ball rolling? We didn't even think about this. Spinner. Alright? Because here, he picks a card, and then they spin it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are a lot of outcomes already, right? If you pick a straw poll, you're picking Your first choice, second choice, third choice, and fourth choice, whatever. Pachinko. Same deal. Spinner. Also the same thing. Now, yeah. So I think this is good. This is good. If we need more, then we'll just say more, right? I'm planning on coding for like the rest of the night. Like I want this thing good. Because right now my computer projects, my computer science grade is a C. And that's partly because he hasn't created anything. Alright. Okay, so some criteria you need would be... Am I quiet? Okay, so some criteria you need... Okay, no, my mic's not quiet. She's just stupid. Some criteria that you need. First of all, that's like one of the best roasts or like insults you can do on Discord is when someone talks and go, "Why are you so quiet?" "Oh, I turned you down." Because it's like, okay, but why? What? Why, bitch? Why'd you turn me down? And then you go, "Why was I being turned down? Why are you turning? What, do you think I'm annoying? Am I annoying?" And then you just spiral. I'm gonna turn off my camera because eating this and having braces is not fun. Okay, so... Okay. There's like apples stuck in my front brace. Arterius. Honestly, that's all you have, right? That's your criteria. You gotta input a choice. And that's it. Oh, no. One criteria. Yeah, number of choices. That's how it's gonna make the choice. Okay. This is looking a lot better. I'm more happy with this than anything else. Like, cut the fat. Cut the fat. I'm not trying to do anything with numbers. We're gonna be using nothing but numbers to do this, but I'm not trying to do like some wacky like 8-week system. No. I'm a simple man. I live a simple life. Let's try some sample apps. Types of restaurant: Chinese, Italian, or breakfast. Can't they have breakfast at both the Chinese and Italian restaurant? Hello, Big Penis 69. It sounds like you want to eat at an Italian restaurant. An Italian restaurant and spend $15 per person. I recommend Bizarro's. It only goes up to 55. I recommend Din Tai Fung. Genghis Khan. Breakfast. Glow's Diner. Portage Bay. Okay. Your name. Big Mazumba. Time of day, it's 12. Activity, it's strenuous. Strenuous. Hi, Big Mazumba. You want to do a strenuous activity at 12 o'clock? You may want to try rock climbing at Rocco's gym. That's what you're gunning for? This is the app you want? This is boring. This is so stupid. This is the sample app. This is the sample app that you want to do? No. No. No, 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 no. First of all, we're getting rid of all of this. Okay, all this stupid stuff, we're getting rid of it. I literally, I made this because my teacher said, give me a screenshot of what you've been working on. And at the time, I didn't start. So I just threw some, like, BS around. But now that we have a plan, get out of here. Lazy. Okay, here we go. First thing I want to do. Is make some screens. So this is different from the game lab, because you have to like think about using it on a phone. So it has all these like drag and drop things, which is really nice, but it gets a little annoying because of how like little room you have. So okay, first home screen. Decision list. That's not how you spell decision at all. Yeah. Ah, what? I'm dyslexic. Okay, you can't roast me because I'm dyslexic and I need to be sympathized. There's apple stuck under my braces. It's so annoying. That's why I turn off my camera. Okay. Oh, you know what? Oh, you know my. You know what? Yeah, no. Let's turn it on. Because, you know. Where is it? I wonder if it's gonna break my shit. Please don't break my stream. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Nope. Okay. It definitely just broke everything. Cool. Okay, back to what we were doing. Decision list. First screen, a good old coin flip. Second screen. Oh, what did we say for our decisions? Also, my teacher sucks at grading things. I send him things, and then he would just mark them missing. And I'm like, hey, I sent you this. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot, I didn't see it. But what? And then it takes them 80 years to regrade it. Like my final project, my game. Oh no, my like postcard thing. I was like, hey, I sent this to you. Why didn't you grade it? Oh, sorry, I forgot you did it in a different profile, even though you told me. And then he took like 3 days to regrade it. Like, what is wrong with you? How, like, that's not even like being, like, you're just bad at your job. I don't understand. what if I was like, someone's like, hey, where's my, like, you didn't put water in this fish bag. Oh, sorry, I just forgot to put water. I'll put water in it, and then I don't give your fish water for 3 days. I understand it's hard to grade things because you have a lot of students, but like, how do you mess up twice? Like you said to give it to you any way you want. I emailed it to you. That's a perfectly good way to give you a picture. Anyways, wheel spin. That's our second one. Straw poll. Pachinko. And a spinner. Boom. Okay. So, now we need to start by making the decision list. How are we gonna format this? Here's what I'm thinking. You input up to 8 decisions, and it goes down the line, right? So let's throw in some decisions here. Yeah, there we go. And well, for easiness, we'll just do D1. All right, D1. Next one. D2. All right. Next one. I'm thinking D3. Okay. Another one. Now, hear me out. For this one, let's go a little fancy. Let's go D4. Now, the next one. This is gonna sound like really crazy, but I'm gonna switch it up. For this one, D5. Now, for this next one, right? I'm thinking okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all labeled D. For this one, let's go a bit crazy. D6. This one. That is definitely some D7 behavior. And the last one, let's do an absolute game changer and call it D8. Amazing. So we have all these decision lists here, and so this is where you can so like, let's just do choice 8, right here. This is choice 7. Right here, this is choice 6. Oh, 6. Right here, this is choice 5. Right here, this is choice 4. Right here, this is choice 3. This is choice 2. And this is choice 1. All right. Now, there's apple stuck in my braces again. God damn it. I swear, I'm just not gonna eat apples ever until my braces get taken off. Okay. So right here, we're gonna put a button that says choose randomizer. Button says randomizer. So how's this gonna work? I'm thinking we let them write their choices, and in order to validate them, they have to check this box, right? So they have to check this box, because checking this box will tell the code this box is checked. If X amount of boxes is checked, we give them this randomizer. If X amount of boxes is checked, we give them this randomizer. And if X amount of boxes is checked, we give them this randomizer. Now, actually, you know what? We can just use the data based off the code. That'd probably just be easier. Delete. I wish you can highlight. This is where it gets a little annoying because you have to. You can't use the delete button either. Because what I want to do, I don't want random. I don't want it to be like NA in my randomizer. That's so annoying. So yeah. So let's see, how do you do animations?
Hello. So what a lot of students, the best, yeah, we have this key. If you want the thing to make movement.
No. No. Here's what we'll do. Okay. I'm done eating my apples, so you guys get to see my beautiful face again. Here's what we do. Alright. Sorry. I'm thinking. That was a lot of dead silence. See, let's throw in some music. I'm so bad at streaming. My camera's on, but it's here. It's. God damn it. Ah, okay. Okay. I want a sandwich. I have this hot Cheetos, I just want a sandwich. You know, I'm gonna make a sandwich. No one's watching, I'm gonna make a sandwich. I'm going to make a sandwich, and you can't stop me. So for now, why don't you guys watch one of my best videos. Just came out, but I'll be right back.
I
I'm gonna make a
know
hot Cheeto sandwich.
that I can beat. I know that I can now. I've actually grinded a bit. I know that I can beat the dude. Before I do that, actually, I should have bought and stuff. Oh, it's so tilting. Oh my god. What? You asshole. Welcome back to Allo does not know how to stream at all, even though he's been streaming for almost like he has a lot of streams under his belt, and yet he doesn't know how to get the shit together. Volume's low. I didn't even turn it up for you guys. So filthy. So I want to show you guys the sandwich I have. Don't copyright me. Okay. So this is my sandwich. We don't have like we don't have actual bread. So we only have like these sliders. So we have bread, some meat, a nice flap of cheese that doesn't even like clear, and then the whole reason why I want to make this, hot Cheetos. What an absolute trash raccoon I am. Oh, with the cheese wrap? What am I, a dog? Oh, and I don't even care. Smush it all together. Boom.
I making the sandwich, I found out that how much I don't use lunch meat, and I remember my mom had this big like thing about me in middle school and eating lunches, so she'd always want me to make a sandwich. So I'd always just slap like a piece of lunch meat between two pieces of bread and call it a day. Squirt some mayo on it, but the sandwiches would always come out really shitty, so I just never would make them, and that meant she was like, "Why do we still have lunch meat? I thought you were making sandwiches." So I just feed it to the stray cat. Like we had a stray cat, I just feed him lunch meat. So, bon appetit, man. Okay. This is how unorganized my teacher is. He didn't even set a due date. He said this will be due sometime next week. That's why I'm actually working on it, because I don't know when to procrastinate. I'm looking at my grades right now. My grades are crispy. My grades are absolutely banging. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Except this. Look at this. Tilt. Tilt right here. Look how many assignments he hasn't graded. This, okay, fine. This, I did. No grade for this. That's because... No, I did turn this in. He didn't grade this. Did not grade this. Did not grade this. I didn't... Oh, no, he did. Okay. This, I redid. Has not looked at it yet. I told him I did it. This, I'll take the L. Yeah, I did do that. Multi-screen app, did not grade. He has like 8, he has like, okay, maybe like 5 missing assignments he has to grade. And yet, if I don't do an assignment, the next day, he's like, ah, you fucked up, didn't you? Come on, man. Pick it up. Pick up the slack. Anyways. Am I being unreasonable? Oh, he has so many kids. That's his job. He gets paid to do that. Right? I'm not paying him to do it, but I have to go to him. I'm paying him in my time. Technically, yes. Think about it. I'm going to school. If we didn't go to school, they wouldn't get paid. Right? So I'm going to school. He gets a job to teach people and grade. That's a part of his job, is to grade. And he's just like, nah, no. And don't give me this. Don't give me this. But although teachers are more than just people to grade your work. They gave me the work. How are you gonna give me the work? I do it and then you're not gonna grade it. So for now I'm just gonna put a picture. Just so that we know, you know, what we're looking at here. Oops. That's not how that works at all, actually. There we go. Can we scale that? Oh, wait, this is under background. Crap. Delete. No, we want an image. There we go. And then put the image. Upload the file. Now I get docs for all the files I have. None of these are actually that bad. Where is the picture of a quarter? Okay. Bam. Coin flip. Alright. Button. It says flip coin. Text. Flip coin. Put a space in there so you don't get confused, even though I will get confused later down the line. And then right here, it will say, it will grab the two decisions, put it in there, and then tell you what the decision is. So it'll say, beat your meat, do your homework. And then flip the coin at the bottom, beat your meat. Flip it again, do your homework. I kind of want to play Dark Souls. Like, I want to set this up and then just go play Dark Souls instead. But listen, students, if you want to achieve the grades I have, you need to know how to procrastinate. You need to know when to time things. You don't have it yet. Pachinko is going to be a little bit harder. I'm not sure how we're going to do it. We're going to have to swap that out for something a bit more easier, because we have Pachinko, straw pull. Yeah, Pachinko's the one that has a lot of moving parts, and I think it's going to be a bit hard. So let's think of something else. D8. There we go. D8 dice. So, yeah. Now that we're done with this, I should probably return back in. And I swear to God, if I return it in, and he marks it as missing, because it says turned in late, I'm going to, oh my God, especially with the comment, because then here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to tell him over Jupiter grades, hey, I told you this. Oh right, sorry, Olo, and then he's gonna take forever to redo it. He's a cool teacher. Don't get me wrong. I don't go to his classes, but I respect the class. Kind of, like I like the class. That's why I put a lot of. I enjoy coding, and I like the class. I think it's a fun curricular, but like as a teacher, like you gotta. I'm not trying to tell you how to do your job, but you gotta do it a bit better. Cause your grading, I don't know what your timing is. I don't know what else you have, but your grading is so bad. I don't know if other people have this problem. I kind of want to ask, because it's annoying. It's really discouraging too. And also, this is you're working on this is basically Khan Academy, but for coding. So you're not really making the lessons. You're just kind of going through the pre-made lessons. Like I can find all the lessons on YouTube. So you should have enough time to like go over people in grade. So like, what are you putting it off on? Mid-court, like, grading time's gonna happen. You're gonna roll over and be like, oh, well, I didn't see your emails. Well, he's not gonna really check his email because he's gonna be. See, he's a bad procrastinator. This we can implement. What I want to do here is just do 3 texts. Like this. So what the code's gonna do is gonna grab what decision you inputted and then throw it onto the spinner. And then in the center, we'll just have we're gonna have like a arrow that just flips. We'll do like 17 times, right? It'll flip 17 times, but in the 17 times, we'll do a random number. So from 1 to 17, you can either flip 6 times, 8 times, 9 times, 4 times. That's how the spinner is going to work. So let's just do like a picture of an arrow. I'm thinking okay, yeah. So for the code, you're gonna have this picture. The picture isn't gonna choose anything. It's really not. It's going to, and we can change all the white backgrounds later. It's going to spin around and it's going to show you a product, but we can't say if the picture, I guess we can, depending on the angle it's at. We can be like, if it's at this angle, then choose this text box, right? So if it's, if the spinner is pointing at, what is this, 180 degrees. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, this is image 3. So if we rotate the image, let's think about this. If we rotate the image, it's in the same place. However, if let's say we do maybe I'm trying to think. What if we no, it's not gonna work. We'll think about it later. Putting hot Cheetos in a sandwich nerfs the spice immensely. Straw pull is really easy. We're just gonna randomize it. Cup. What the what is this? I just looked up cup with straws. BTS Gin Celica 181122 travel mug. I kind of want it. I kind of want it. I kind of want it. Is that weird? I hate Redbubble. Like Redbubble, like it steals a bunch of stuff. They steal a bunch of art and stuff. But is it weird I want this mug to like drink on stream? Oh, they have more. No, I don't even. Do they have a Jimin one? Jungkook. Got a Jungkook one. It's such a bad picture. Oh my god, what is that? Where's Jimin? That's Jimin right there. You can't even see the whole face. There you go. No, that one's not as cool. This one's funny because it's like smack dab in the middle of his face. Goddamn. I might get that. I might buy it. Totally forgot what we were doing. Yeah. Straw poll, that's what it's called. There we go. I'm also thinking maybe I won't code all night because this whole week I've had the worst sleep schedule and I miss a lot of classes. I mean, I don't go to a lot of classes because I usually go halfway and then I just like go to work, but it feels really weird to like just blow off school. Even though I've been doing it, like even in school, I just sleep. So it's not like it changed, but it just feels weirder now that if I do sleep, I have no repercussions. I do, but I don't have any physical repercussions. They're not gonna be like, nah, you know, they're not gonna give me shit for it. I'm literally just gonna wake up and be like, oh damn, I missed 3 classes. But I mean, I do my work. I get my work done. I get it done well. But I just don't go to class. My report card has like 18 absences on one class because I never go to it. But I have so many absences and they haven't told me anything about it. So I'm guessing it doesn't count if I don't go, right? Because at this point, I'm pretty sure they'd be like, hey man, this is a warning. You gotta come to class. They haven't. So, I'm guessing there's some kind of thing where it's like, you technically don't have to come to class. Some teachers will grade you. Like, there's one class I always have to come to because he gives you attendance grade. But everything else they don't. So you know. Okay, how are we gonna do this wheel spin? That's another thing with a lot of spinning. So this is when we think, do we have enough? I think we do. I don't think we need wheel spin. Okay. So, should we get into some coding? It's still pretty early in the night. Decision list, straw poll. So the main things we have is the 8 die, decision list, okay. Spinner, which is gonna be probably the most challenging one because I don't know how I'm gonna graph that. Straw poll, which honestly straw poll and the D8 dice is the same thing. But maybe we can do like because the straw pool just goes based on like I guess we can do straw pool is for 7 or less. So I guess the next thing to do is next thing to do is to use these buttons. And the way to do that is to throw up a function. My function, this is going to be buttons. Throw in some if statements. And if on a, oh, here we go. On event ID if choose randomizer is clicked, so okay, if it's clicked, so we'd have to do it for all 8. If it's clicked and there are 2 choices, then then head to, yeah, okay, so on event, where's our if statements? On event, click if there are two choices. So we need some variables too. A variable would be, should we, let's do that. I don't know how efficient it's gonna be, but for just trying it out, we'll try it. So if var choice 1 is equal to, I guess C1 would be easy. Choice 2 is C2. Choice 3 is C3. Choice 4 is C4. Choice 5 is C5. Choice 6 is obviously choice is C6. 7, 8, and then choice 7 is C7. Choice 8 C8. Now, if so, this is only counting PogChamp. What's up, man? This is only if choice 1 and 2 are being interacted with. If how do we even test that? How do we test that? How about we write in it? Oh, we can't. Oh, we can't. Okay. How about we do Baba Boo? Something smells good. Baba Booey. And then we do choice 2 is Ub Abow Baba. Ubababa. Right? Now, if choice 1 and choice 2, what do we have here? See, this is why I had boxes. Because, yeah, this is why I was gonna put boxes, cause then it'd be a lot easier if we, yeah, this is Takahashi's. I'm procrastinating. So yeah, I think if we had boxes, then like maybe we can be like, okay, if these two boxes are picked, then, you know, start the sequence. If not, then just crash them. Because if you're gonna write something in a box and not check the box next to it, you're stupid. Right? Right. These boxes are ace. They're not even lined up right. Oh my god. Let's make him big. Knowing him, he'd be like, I didn't see the boxes, so I didn't grade it. just like eyeballing it. I think it's this size. Yeah, that looks right. Oh, that's a little big. Oh, a little too small. There we go. That's just right. You know, you can't win them all. You really can't. You cannot win them all. All your boxes aren't correct size. Can you redo your app so that the boxes are the correct size? Please, we want the boxes in the correct size. It looks weird that way. Can we please get the boxes in the correct size? No. Okay. Run. Check. Check, 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 check. These are not checked. Therefore, the if statement will crash. Actually destroy. We'll keep these variables here. Actually, you know what? We'll ditch these variables. They're confusing me. If no. Honestly, I'm going to let them stay as checkbox 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that's honestly the best way to put it, right? Hey, which checkbox is this? It's the 6th one. Why'd you leave it as checkbox 6? Because it's the 6th checkbox. It's numerically going down the line. Checkbox 1 and checkbox 2 equals true. Should this be an if statement? Then this is not a hypothesis. Hypothesis. This is just an if statement. On event, choose randomizer is clicked. Then change screen. There's a thing for that, right? It's called right? Set screen. There we go. We're working ahead of ourselves. Set screen. Coin flip. Okay. What? Why is that the background? I thought I changed that. Yeah, what? Background color. Choose. Can we not? Can we choose it to be nothing? Trash. Okay, well then, it's a, what? You're sick. sicken me with your lies. You sicken me. You know that? You disgust me. What? Why is that the background? And then you told me here the background's white. Do I need to reset? You know what? Screw it. I'll make it red. Yeah, make it red. There. I'll use Comic Sans in this bitch. Don't test me. Now, like a good boy. What? Am I missing something? Why? Is it just buggy? Reset the page, perhaps. No, it's just like that. Image. Why is there a no image? No image. I don't want an image. Choose nothing. Perhaps. Upload a file. Cancel. I want nothing. Perhaps if we change the theme. Orange. No, that just... Why are you like this? Oh, just delete the background. Delete it. Nope, I deleted the whole screen. That's fine. It's fine. I'm just overreacting. It's fine. Boom. Okay. But, okay, here's the thing. We only want to go there if there's two choices. If anything else, if there's any other box checked, I'll kill you. Can we put this in an if statement? Can we put this big hunkalicious in here? Oh, we can. If... Do you have to check... Oh. Oh. What is going on, Drumler Nation? Check box 1 is equal to true. And check 2 is equal to true. Is that gonna work? Why are these here? Why are those there? Randomizer. Okay, okay. Oh. If these are true, then I want you to go here. Let's look at our different lessons. See if maybe we can... Functions practice. Conditionals practice. There. One of these has to be... Alright, here, if statements. If... No, not this one. Not this one either. This one's stupid. These don't tell me what I want. On event, star is clicked. Function should be set if feel like online school, it just feels like someone being like, I know you want to do this. Now check out this video. And then that's it. Why are these checkboxes here? What's the point in this? What is this? Is it... Are you writing this? Why? Are you not reading the... Okay. Feedback from my teacher. What did he say? So, 9 days ago. Okay, never mind. I wonder if he beat this game. I wonder if he put any comments. This was my game, by the way. I don't know if I ever showed you guys this game. I think I coded this by myself. I don't think I did it on stream. But this was a spicy game. Alright, and look at this. Like, here's the cheese. First of all, I wanted to blow his ears out. Second of all, I wanted to make this game really hard. But the cheese is to just get him in one loop here. And do that, basically. Some lightning bolts in. It's not a good game, but I worked a long time on this, because for half of my game process, like planning it, I didn't know what to do. So I kept thinking about really big games, and I was like, no, that's too much work. Yeah, I thought it'd be funny to just insta-kill him. And the music seems to be broken. So I don't know why that's a thing, but okay. 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 Do you guys realize that lo-fi music is just lullabies with a trap beat under it? That's all that is. It's just lullabies for adults and people above the age of what, 6 or whatever. It's just lullaby. Like, listen to this. People vibe to this. This is just a lullaby. But like, it's soothing. It makes you just want to like go. Anyways, we functions practice. It's not a function. I want to test something. If these checkboxes are clicked, wait, why? This button takes you regardless. Right? Oh? No, why? If they're true, and this is true, the checked boxes are not checked. Yeah, so it goes there. That's because on event, but this isn't an if statement, so I feel like it would This doesn't look like an actual string. Oh, it's in quotes. Oh, that's the problem. It's in quotes. I'm so good at this, really. Checkbox 1 and 2 has not been declared. Okay, well, var. That's not how you do that. We'll go down the line. ch1. Oh, I guess we have to do ch1 ch2 ch2 is equal to you're making the alone. No, I'm not. That was a stupid idea. Why would I do that? No. That makes... Oh my god, that makes no sense. I thought the whole point of the app was to tell people that they're alone because they're talking to an app. How do we say that this is equal to a checkbox? It's this. Checkbox 1. Okay, maybe we just do that. Please go away. It's right here. Is it? Do we have to do quotes? No, that would throw us in a world of pain. Oh. No, that's not in quotes though. We'll see. We'll see what it does. I don't think it's gonna work though. No way. What? It actually worked? Nope. No, did not work. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Why? Why? I'm trying to say, if these two are checked, then take me to your best friend's house. Take me to... Is that the song? Take me to your best friend's house. Alright? Yeah, take me to your best friend's house. Lie to me and date him instead. Oh, sorry. Why is it not working? Thank you. Thanks. Reset. Okay, is... There has to be some
Okay. Let's try and break it down real simple. Alright. You have this. This variable. I don't understand it. Do we have to throw it in? Okay, this is called checkbox 1. Control C that, okay? We need this to be ID checkbox 1. How do we just say that this is this? I don't remember. See example. Okay, so in this example, we have checkbox, agree box is false. Text label, agree box, okay. If there's a U, what if we're overthinking this? But we need to say on event if it just doesn't work out. Unless we write it. Can we just... I thought we already did that though. No, it has to be a variable, doesn't it? How about this? Let's look at others. These. What the f... What is that? I found the teacher's cheat sheet. That's what he says. Sorry, just spit everywhere. Wow. Doing it by the books, huh? Shame. Let's see what these guys do.
The screen's designed in step 6 of your planning guide. If area for us to update and write. I can see your future.
Okay, what does he do? If color is equal to red.
Your next year is going to be rosy. Yeah.
So he has no checkboxes.
You're next. What I'll do instead of just age less.
There we go. This guy is my savior, by the way. Tech, yes, please. Oh my god, he's a god.
This is App Lab. Right, this guy right here. Dog label and text. And what am I going to have it equal to? Maybe I want cat to be equal. it will hold true or false. It gets the checkbox. If there's a check in it, it is true. If there's not a check, that is false. And that's how this can be used to navigate to other pages, right? Click run.
Oh! See right there? God status. Get checked. That's what we're using. Aren't we trying to use that already? No, we've been using checkbox. Oh. You are a... Please. Wow. Okay, well, I want to say both. Has he done both? Well, that's else. I want if, this, and that. Equals salmon cat. And... Okay, wait. Check this power move out. Check this power move out. Check me out. Whoa, Kenny. Get checked. Crunching data. Analyzing sequences. Oh, I'm a hacker. It's checked. This is checked. Why do you cuck me like this? Checkbox 2. Checkbox 2. Why do you pay me the way you do? I thought I was hacker. Alright, let's watch what else you do.
Click on cat. I can hit submit.
What does he have? On event. Submit button. Oh my god. Oh. Jesus. Oh. Oh my god, I'm just too good at this. You can't handle the neutron style, baby. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no, it's not doing anything. Oh, why is this randomizer button not doing anything? Oh, it's because number 1 and 2 aren't checked. What can I say? I'm just too good. You just can't handle the neutron style, baby. Beat meat homework. Alright, these are my two options. Do I beat my meat or do I do my homework? Oh, flip a coin, buddy. Okay, now at this stage, what I want to do is work on the text box. That's not what we want though. This is not, we don't want to be able to type here. We want oh my god. Not this. I just want to put text here, but I don't want people to type in it. Oh, here we go. Label. Label. And then this is your label right here. So for here, this is going to be choice 1. This one is going to be choice 2. And this last one is going to be final. No, it's gonna be too vague. This last one's going to be coin flip outcome. So what I want to do here is go on here. So function this is going to be this function is going to be just for coin flip. Okay, and basically the coin flip function is going to be this. It's going to say this text label get text from, so text label get text. Oh, okay, perhaps text label choice 1 get the text from, what do we call it? I think we called it decision 1. Yes. Okay, so we do this for both. So choice 2 get the text from decision 2 and choice 2. Now the final outcome is going to be the random number between 1 and 2, which is going to determine this text. But first, let's see. So first what we have to do is call the function, call it here, call it coin flip. So run. So, the text label ID parameter refers to an ID choice 1. That's, yeah, okay, that's fine. Beat meet do homework. Check these two. Randomize. That didn't work. That's because the text label ID parameters refers to an ID choice 1 which is already exist. What's wrong here? Choice 1. Oh, is that why? Text label. Okay, so I need the ID and the text. Oh, okay. Okay, we gotta change this. Yeah. I see what you're saying. I think. What if we change this to like something really just like obscure so that we know? Like for this, we'll call it coin flip C1. Coin flip C1. And this is coin flip C2. So we go coin flip C1. Coin flip C2. I think it's because choice 1 was already the name of the other one. Run. Oh no, it has the same thing. Why is this jamming up? Ugh. Warning. Line 8 label. Which already exists. We'll see. The text label ID parameters refer to ID coin flip. Yeah, that's because it's. What if instead of get text, it's set text? Would that work? Why can't I drag this off? That's so stupid. Why can't I drag it off here? This is the literal stratosphere. Set text. I need to clean my power head. See if you... Oh, buddy. Why is that there? I want... Why can't there just be like text? What is canvas? So this looks annoying, by the way. The ID is... That should be a better way then. Okay, how about this? Text. But if we run it, we can still type in it. I don't want to type in it. That's not something you should be able to do. So you'd think, okay, maybe a label. Right? But even a text input, you can still type in a text input. So the best option would be label. You can't type on a label, it's just text. Problem. With this is that there is option 2, op 2. Good one, all. Okay. So we have option 1 and option 2 as our labels, right? That's the ID. So for the coin flip, I want the text label, creates a text label on the screen displaying. Oh. What? Creates a text label on the screen, displaying the text provided and referenced by the given ID. Okay. So this is for op1. That's the ID. That's the text, okay? And I want the text to actually be... So set the text for the specific element. I want it to get text. Get the text from the specified element, right? So I want it to get the text from this. The ID is D1. So hypothetically, what it's supposed to do is say, okay, this text label option 1 is right there. It's right there. What do you want it to say? I want it to get the text from the list back here, D1. So what then? Why? Okay, line 8, the text label parentheses op1 ID parameter refers to an ID op1 which already exists. Yeah. Okay. ID parameter refers to an ID which already exists. Do you not want this to have an ID parameter? I thought it's supposed to have an ID parameter. Or are you saying you're going to make your own? Are you duplicating? It's called OP1 because that's what I want it to be called. OP1. Option 1. Events. Click triggered when if this was a button, would it respond differently? Well, let's find out. If this was a button, like this, button, OP1, text, nothing, because I wanted to get the text from OP1. Text label. Creates a text label on the screen displaying the text provided and referenced by the given ID at default location 00. I know I look real stupid, but I don't care. Text label. Creates a text label. Okay, let's see some examples. So, text label, your name label, enter your name. Your name. Text input, your name. Create a text label for screen title. What? Demonstrate. Text input name. Your app will sometimes need titles on the screen or words to the UI elements like radio buttons, checkboxes, and text inputs. Drop down list. If you want the text label to trigger events with text label, your name, that's the ID. Enter your name, that's the text. Your name. Text input, your name. Create a label for a screen title. Text label, my app. What happens if we just go off text label? It spawns there. How interesting. You're doing great, thanks. So what if we just throw get text? Is it gonna say come? Why does it not? Why does it not say come? It should say come, right? That's where I put it. Get text. If it's gonna spawn there at that wasn't even 00. Why does it spawn there? 00 is like right here, right? Or is it down here? It's somewhere. It's not in the middle. There's no grid, so I don't know how to plan this. I guess set screen to coin flip. No. 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 No, no, no. No. No, you can't. You can't do this to me. You can't. Come. Second option. Come here. Okay. So how do I... How I... Why do you put them there? What? Where am I supposed to spawn them? Input label. Creates a text and assigns... No way. No. No! Why would you need that? Why do you need a code that inputs an element ID for an ID that it already has? But then if you use the same ID... I'm so done with this. I'm so annoyed. Also, I guess it's just too much power that this software is running at 3 frames per second. It's not even registering where my cursor is right now. There we go. Oh, it's because I was running the app. What are you running? You're running nothing. You're literally just idle. Okay, let's try for the first one. I swear to God. CFD1. Is that gonna give me an oopsie? Uh-oh. Oh no! You don't have an ID. What do you need to do for that? Oh, well, we want you to... Okay, 45,299. We want you to, how do we put this? We want you to put it, okay, so we want you to write a code, right? We want to write a code that says this ID is that ID. Why can't I just say that this ID is there when it says ID? I just say that that's the ID and use the ID. Well, because how would we know it's that ID? Because it says right here, it's writing it. You're writing it into existence here. You never asked me to set an ID before I set this ID, so why would I need to set an ID for an ID? Oh, because it's an element. Okay, then just link. Why? What? Comst. We just use pre. Yeah. Why'd you put it there? Why'd you? What are you doing? Do I really need to? Computers are so dumb. No way. No way. Communist. That's the next one. What? What? Are you telling me? No. Cudged. Cudged. Instead. Yeah. Uh, uh, yeah, get it, get it, get it, yeah, get it, what, get it, huh, huh, huh? What is this? What is this? Why'd you put it there? What made you put it there? What, did you just remember how to set things now? What is this? What are you doing here? What are you making here? I didn't say to make a button. Okay. Text input. CFDF. CFD1. A text input. Text input. Create text input. Text label. Create a text label on the screen. Displaying the provided okay. Now if we do set position, what do we have on this side of the woods? I don't know what this is. Why do you exist? I never asked you to exist, said my parents. That's a joke. Okay. So the text input is, that's the ID. I want you to take this. I want you to take this ID. Okay. You know what the ID is. I wrote it. It's right there. The ID is right there, buddy. I wrote it for you. It's called CFD1. Now I want you to walk CFD1, hold his hand, hold his little hand, and put him at 5316. Can you do that for me? Can you be a big boy? Can you be a big strong man for me and carry my text input over to 5316? Can you? And you're gonna say, of course I can, man. Alright, so the text input is this. That's what I want inputted. I want you to set the position to this ID, because that's the ID I have right here. So, I'm going to write what I want in the text. Const. Second option, did. Okay? I'm gonna check these two boxes. Now, why'd you put it there? Why'd you teleport it up and then teleport it down? Can you answer me that? And then I'm going to, okay, so you're gonna say, oh, I run it from top to bottom. Okay, we'll run it from top to bottom. Const. Oh, now that it's top to bottom, you're gonna say, oh, it doesn't exist. It's a, hello, it doesn't exist. Oh, you know what? I should put it out of the function. Maybe that'll work. No, doesn't work. Why? ID parameters refers to an ID that does not exist. What do you mean? It's right there. You put it in the drop down. You know why you put it in the drop down? Because it's right. It's right there. This infuriates me. How are you going to make this work? Const. How are you gonna make that work? You're gonna put it up the top and then move it down. First of all, why is it so thick? I gotta scale this down. Second of all, you did that with no issues. All I'm asking you is don't put it up there before you put it down here. Maybe I can just... set the position. Text input. What does set text do? Set text for a specified element. Okay. Set the text for a specified element. CFD1. Text is going to get the text. I want you to get the text from D1. Okay? Ask him nicely. Just say, hey, can I have the text? Thank you. Now, I want you to set CFD1 to 5316. Can you do that for me? I'm trusting you. I saw you just run through my whole program. Const. Check the box. Check the box. Now randomize it. Warning. Line 8. The set text ID refers to something that doesn't exist. Oh, okay. So, okay, that's fine. It doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. Okay? Doesn't exist. How about this? Okay? I'm going to use create a text input and assign it to assign it an element ID. That's not what we want. Let us make a element. These are elements, right? These are IDs. for elements. Yes. Yes. It is. It's right here. See? Drag elements. How about we drag this little label? This little text. It's a cute little text. Now we're gonna call this CFD1. Coin flip decision 1, right? Empty the text, does not matter. Because in here we're going to set CFD1 to D1. And then I guess it doesn't matter because we'll see. Now, let us establish something. We have CFD1 as an ID right there. We have CFD1 right here. Same ID. Same ID. CFD1. Run. Const. Set the text. Check the boxes. Run. What happens if we remove that? Yo, if someone's in here, can we get a const in the chat, please? Why does it only put C? Did I only put... Yo, can we get some consts in the chats? Okay, for some reason it doesn't like not knowing where it's supposed to go. Randomize. Const. That's right. That's right, my baby. Yes. Yes. So we do this. CFD2. Get it from D2. D2. You know your friend D2, right? Now. He's at 50, 370. Come chill with 50, 370. Why don't you come chill? Hey. Hey, I know the world's tough out there. I know you're trying your best. I see you working like a dog out there. You're grinding. You're just working for the weekend. I see you're working hard. And I just want to say, good job. You're getting to the bag. And I'm proud of you. Keep up the work. People may try and bring you down. People may say what you're doing is useless, and yes, it is to them. But I know that you care a lot about it. And I want you to keep going. Because I believe in you. I really do. What the fuck was that? What was that about? Huh? Capst. That's right, baby. That's right, baby. We flip this button. That's right. That's right. We're about to randomize the shit out of these choices. So this next one, I want it to click a button, and why is 1 declared in my program? Oh wait, it's supposed to be D2 is 2. There we go. There we go. Yeah. What I want this one to do is pick a random number between 1 and 2. So to do that, we should do an if statement. If random number between 1 and 2. No, 2. What is going on? Oh, my keyboard's cracked. Yeah, 2 just got a bit stupid. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. For now, we'll just do design, drop a final label here. Final coin flip outcome. FCFO. FCFO. If do we do equals? No, we'll see what happens. That's not gonna work. This doesn't use variables, it just uses a number. If the random number is 1 or 2, how's that gonna work? I want it to, okay, click this button. Click the button. It's already 2:15. I should go to bed. Soon. I've been almost coding for 3 hours. What the hell? If random number from 1 to 2 is equal, why am I, is it that laggy? That's so annoying. Equals 1. Then yeah. 144, 420. My dog loves these turtles so much. Get the text from, yeah. Set text. FCFO. Where's FCFO? I don't know if it's gonna work at all. It's not even. We'll ask my teacher. Here's the thing, if I go to sleep, I'm like really certain I'm gonna miss code class. But I tried staying up before and I overslept, and if I do that, then I'm going to miss work because I have work. So I should probably just go to sleep and push myself to wake up. Wait, you think I'm just gonna pull an all-nighter like that? No, see, I'm responsible. I just, you know, I want to pull an all-nighter, but I know it's not gonna end well. Hey! We don't even need this, honestly. Yeah, we don't need that. Because if it's just gonna say 1 or 2, then we can just assign 1 or 2 right here. Look at that! So, I want to do a watcher before we log off. And we all tuck in, we say goodnight. Do we not have watchers in this? Where's my watcher? What? What? What the hell? Where are my watchers? Why can't I see my watchers? Do we not have watchers? So why can't... Oh my god. So else. So if it's not 2, if it equals... So let's see. It should... last time it picked Cumst. So it should either pick Cummy or Cumst again. What we're looking for is Cummy. So that we know it picks the other one. Cumst. Cummy. Push the button. And we get... Cummy! We got Cummy, boys. That's the randomizer. That's the randomizer. Okay, so, just to be sure. Cumst. Cummy. We should either get Cummy or Cumst again. Cumst. Cummy. Flip. Cummy. Okay. That's a bit scary. If we had watchers, we'd... easier time. Cummy. Cumst, please. We're looking for Cummy now. Because we know Cumst works. We want Cummy. Please. Please give us the Cummy RNG. That's Cumst. So we're either getting a lot of 1s. How about this? But it should work out. It should work out. Because what is this? Unrecoverable syntax error. Oh. Why does it do that? Okay, no, it should be okay. Oh. That's why it's not working. Comst. Cummy. Check, check. Comst. Cummy. Give us cummy. Cummy. Alright, we gotta get comps now. Comes. Give us comst. Give us comst. Give us comst. I pressed the button. What's wrong? Is it that slow? Go, cummy. No, I don't want cummy. Do it again. Flip it again. Comps. We got comps. Okay, that's all we need. That's it. That's the first randomizer. We did it, and we have 2 outcomes. We did it, guys. I'm proud. I'm proud. And I'm going to sleep now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed whatever this was. If you're watching, you know, maybe you thought I'll pop on one of all those VODs and fall asleep to it. Hey, I just want to say thanks, because that's really cool. I got fish medicine on my shirt. It was a bad day for a lot of fish to get sick. Where'd it go? Oh, what? I got fish medicine on my shirt because I was dosing all the fish, and it was a bad shirt. It was a bad way. It was a bad time to wear white. Bad time for fish to get sick. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, whether you're watching from the VOD, because no one's here in the stream. I'm not going to pretend that you are. Okay. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Why am I showing you the viewfinder? It's so weird. It's so stupid. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're watching the VOD, and yeah, take care, guys. Have a good Friday. Yeah, see you later. Bye. Oh, sorry. Yes. Okay. Have a good ride. Have a good ride home. Okay.